This video is for you, Mr. Samuel. I love your effort and energy and encouragement, enthusiasm about Bikram yoga, but let's get some kind of corrections happening. I see you demonstrating spine twisting, Bikram spine twist. I'll move back here so you can see bending the left knee in front of you, or we can do the other side, bringing the right foot over. So the first correction is making sure the ankle and the knee touch. Now, maybe you get more advanced, you start bringing it up higher. You'll see in Bikram's pictures, but as a beginner, most of us are, we bring it out to the end. So those two are touching. Hand behind you, right, left arm over, push the knee back. Now you gotta grab the front of the knee. Now you're saying, or a lot of people say, I can't, I don't have that flexibility. That's why we use a towel. Why are we grabbing this, by the way? So that we can push our knee back with the help of the elbow, stretching the low back while we twist the upper back. So you're getting lower in the upper. The last correction that I see as a beginner, especially, is that a lot of people, and this is in the dialogue, as a beginner, you bring your hand behind you, use that as a support. Right, I'll use a towel here as an example, but you're leaning back. So you got to stretch out. So if you're able to grab the front of the knee, you're pushing the front of the knee down, you're stretching your spine up, then you're able to bring your hand around. And on this side, you're trying to grab the inner thigh, towel or shorts, and then I can twist more here as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, lots of corrections, way to improve, always way to improve.